Nick's Adventures, yeah!
Hey everyone, welcome back to Nick's Adventures, and today we are seeing a simulated ground attack at the Barksdale Air Show in the plane called a B-52. Picture right there. And yeah, let's get right into the video.
And there they go, ladies and gentlemen. This one one and this one two, simulated ground attack. In the military. Okay, thank you. All right, here we go. We're not going to eavesdrop into the conversation. We're just going to enjoy the unguided bombs that are going to be released. 1-2, approaching now, front shuttle left. This is a reenactment of a low altitude bomb drop. Like this one, but for effect, so you can see this beautiful bomb. This is what we're going to do. Unguided bombs from Goose 1-2 to fall by ground control. Guiding him in on a hot run. Here he comes, folks. Let's look, watch, and listen.
Shoving